Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to link a chart to your option chain in Thinkorswim Mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to first go and tap open your Thinkorswim. Once you're here, you need to simply navigate to the option chain. So the first method is to chart a specific option contract that is recommended for a single view option. So once you navigate to the option chain, you need to find the desired option as well. Once you find the desired option, you can simply copy the option symbol by long pressing on it. Go to the chart tab and simply navigate to your main chart section. Now, paste the symbol right over there. Simply tap the symbol entry field at the top of the chart and paste the copied option. Now, you can also use a watch list for quicker access, and this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.